In this video, we're going to be learning how to pair your Android to your vehicle's Bluetooth. So on your phone, we're going to go onto your settings, onto connected devices. And this may differ between Androids, but we're going to do pair new device. On the vehicle, we're going to go onto menu, setup, Bluetooth here on the side, and we're going to select yes to add your phone. From there, it's going to be searching for the device. Once we see Toyota Tacoma, we're going to select it. It's going to ask us to pair this code, which is right over here. We're going to hit pair. From there, it's going to ask us one more question, and that is if we want to allow access to our text messages. All this is if you want to receive your text messages onto your vehicle screen, and you can also reply to those via voice activation while driving. If you do want to, you're going to say yes. Now your phone's all connected, and how you know it shows your battery and how much signal you have. Now if you want to delete the phone, we're going to remove, select the device, select yes to remove, and now on the phone you're going to go into previously connected devices, select the little gear symbol next to Toyota Tacoma, and forget. You're going to say forget device, and now they're both deleted from each other.